way, and let's explore the rainbow way. We'll find a land of candy trees, where lollipops sway in the breeze. Chocolate rivers sweet and slow, with sprinkles falling like the snow. The birds all sing a rainbow song as we skip and hop along. Butterflies with wings so bright join our colorful delight. We'll visit stars that twinkle high in the colors of the sky. Each one whispers soft and clear tales of rainbows far and near. Bouncing on a rainbow bed, dreams of colors fill our head. Purple ponies, green giraffes, make us giggle, make us laugh. The moon joins in with silver light, turning dark to day so bright. We'll chase the beams from night to noon, riding on a rainbow moon. In our garden flowers bloom, painting rainbows room to room. Sunflowers yellow, roses red, colors dance above our head. The raindrops fall, but do not fear, they bring the rainbow even near. With each drop the colors grow, making magic, watch it glow. In rainbow seas we'll sail our ship, on colorful waves we take a trip. Jellyfish and fish so bright guide us through the glowing night. We'll find a castle made of light, with rainbow walls shining bright. Inside the treasure that we'll see is the joy of colors wild and free. The rainbow